right, you guys. All right. Hi, everybody. Welcome back. I hope you had yourself a nice little break. Got yourself some cocoa, coffee, Pepsi, whatever it is. I don't know, rum and coke, glass of champagne. Anyhow, all right. This is the Slay Glam. I can't show you the front because, well, my name's printed on it and I don't have a black marker available to black it out. But I got it on the 19th of this month. This is the Slay Glam bag. And this is the December 2020 bag. All right, let me tell you how much Slay Glam bag is. I get it on the 3-month subscription. Okay, so it is for 3 months. It's already prepaid $68.96. So if you divide that by 3, it comes out to $22.98. That technically is how much my Slay Glam bag is. Now you can get it month to month, and I believe it's $22. Don't hold me to that one, but I think it's $22 or $21 if you get it on the month to month. This is how it came in that little bubble wrapper, a little mailer. I kind of peeked in on the side. Okay, I see the name Kaylin, and we know who Kaylin is because that's what I'm wearing on my lips. I love this color, this frost. Oh my God, it's a metallic liquid lip color. It's gonna drive me nuts. It's gonna drive me nuts if I don't tell you guys what it is. Star Wave Metallic Tint. This is the color I wear pretty much in every video. I do because I can, because I do, because I have to, because I like it. Hi, you guys. Okay, so I had to turn on the Demon Child. We couldn't do this without the Demon Child being turned on, and I had to adjust the stuff in the back to make sure that it was the right light. I got clouds in the sky and it really screwed up me finishing with natural light. The Demon, I'm gonna turn it off. Gonna try to finish this video with natural light because I want you guys to see this. Look at his face. This is a little sponge, makeup sponge with his Santa hat. Look it. It is cute. It's by Base Blue. They do have some really cool stuff. I like their brushes in the cone that set up straight. See, it's like a little ornament. And then let me show you these again real quick. This is the Kaylin. This is the lip liner, the gel lip liner. This is the sharpener. And then it just pops off. This is just to kind of set it on your desk or wherever, your vanity. And then of course the red. This is the red Kaylin. And then it has the wide bottom on it. See? Oops. It has a real wide bottom on it to set it down on flat. And then of course there's Ruby. This one's called Ruby Red. It's the glitter. See that? It doesn't do it justice, to be honest with you. Even the natural light doesn't do it justice. Okay, so because the lip liner, the liquid lipstick, and the glitter topper that goes there, that's considered 3 products. I guess, I'm guessing that's what Rasha was thinking. And then we have the cute little Santa snowman bouncy sponge, makeup sponge. Okay, and then the next one is an eyeshadow palette, and it is Jingle Eyeshadow Palette. And this is by Rasha B Cosmetics. Rasha is her name. She owns Slay Glam bag. I love the foil, that red foil texture that she does with her palettes and just the products in general that have this, that she produces. I like that foil. It does have, you can see the mirror. It's got its protector, and there are the colors. These are the 9 colors. Very pretty, very bold, very I'm not really sure what the color story is on this, except for Christmas, you know what I mean, or New Year's, I don't know, but very pretty colors. And Rasha was she was trying to feature her makeup and her line, her cosmetic line, with Boxy Charm, and things just kind of went south real bad. It wasn't her fault, from what I understand, and doing as much research and reading about the entire story, hearing it from her mouth on Instagram. I asked questions and she actually answered comments that I left. So coming from the horse's mouth, so to speak, it wasn't her fault. And it would have been really nice to have these, you know, from her cosmetic company, some of her stuff featured in Boxy Charm. I think people would have really liked it. I've been with Slay Glam Bag for quite a while, over a year. So I'm just telling you that she does really well with her company. This is something that's really cool. This 3 little product here from Kaylin for your lips. You get the liner, you get the pencil sharpener, you get the liquid lipstick, and you get the topper glitter. You get the little glitter topper. That's pretty cool. Either that or this is a eyeshadow. I'm not sure, but it's glitter, so you can put it pretty much anywhere you want. And then of course we have this cute little, look at this little, the little snowman. Look at, he's peeking through. Look at, tell him this, come here, George, check him out. Look at his face. He's cute, right? All right, you guys, she did a phenomenal job. Slay Glam Bag for December 2020. Thank you so much, you guys. They as well, there's no card in there, so you don't have prices, you don't have descriptions of the product. It's real easy to find these products because they're companies that we see in quite a bit of the other beauty boxes. All right, hang tight. We got one more. I've got Trend Mood. You guys, I got Trend Mood coming up. So sit right there and I will be right back. But before you go, if you do take a break, or even if you're just gonna go see ya and you're done watching Lori's videos, that's okay. I'm not hurt. But if you do hang out, go grab yourself something to drink, stretch your legs, pet your dog, grab your cat, put him on your lap, whatever the case may be. Thank you. I appreciate it more than you know. Okay, let me get ready. I'm gonna take a break, stretch my legs, and go pet my dogs. I'll be right back, you guys, because I only got a few minutes of sun time. Bye. Oh no, don't say bye. Nope, you can't say bye, Lori. You can't say bye. Don't say bye.